we get to go meet up with Dave's Uncle Bob and Aunt Jill.
Who I love. They
I love
are,
as well. We love.
We love them. They're from Minnesota, and they are buying a house literally 2 doors away from my parents.
They're gonna be basically next door neighbors.
There's Mom and Dad.
Yeah.
I know, I mean, it's literally 2 houses away.
Oh yeah. It's a lot of roof. Hello!
Hello! So much fun!
So exciting!
Hey, Bob.
Welcome to Arkansas.
Good to see you.
This is amazing. This is the best neighborhood in Bella Vista. So what are you guys planning to spend on the renovation?
We'd like to keep it $250 or less,
Okay.
if possible.
And also you're in Mars, so it's got to be a little less.
Right.
And less.
Strict budget.
Okay. Overall, is there anything that you really love about the house that we want to keep?
I love the pine trees in the front.
Oh, I do too.
They remind me of northern Minnesota.
Yes.
Okay, she just said, is there anything about the house you like to keep? And you said, I love
Really
the pine
attached to the
trees. This is not a good
And
start.
I really love the lake.
Oh, yeah.
It's this middle part.
It's the...
We are from Minnesota, relocating to Arkansas.
Jill and I lived on the water in Minnesota, and well, the home came up for sale. We jumped right on it because we knew it wouldn't last long, and being so close to my brother, it was just ideal.
So basically the plan for the outside is to create a new entryway, get a new front door, replace the roof, replace the windows, paint, new lighting, and update the landscaping out front.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go check out the inside.
Okay.
So this is a really long hallway.
Very interesting entryway.
Well, Jenny, you kind of missed the best part.
Oh, I did?
The laundry room, right off your entryway.
Right. I don't want to do the laundry in the hallway.
No, it's
No.
cramped. Okay, we got to find a spot for the laundry.
Okay, great.
But this is the wall that I'm weirded out by. But this is
That's
a
a
closet. Could we?
Gone.
And this is a bathroom?
Yeah.
It's tight, yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I agree.
Right.
It's too tight.
Okay.
Do you know if this is trusses or rafters up here?
I think it's trusses.
Okay, well, if it's trusses, we can open up any walls we
Yeah,
want.
because then in here you have just a pretty good sized bedroom, but it's the angle. Like if you took this chunk out, when you walk in, you at least would have a view to
Right.
the back of the house.
Yeah,
But that's a big question mark.
that'd be really nice.
That's that bedroom right there?
That's the main bedroom.
Okay.
All
Yep.
right. Following
Following you.
Okay. Right this way.
Okay.
It's big enough.
Oh, it's really big.
It is. I don't know how much of this bedroom needs to be bedroom. I think I'd rather have closet.
Okay, so we've got closet, 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 and then we've got bathroom, which the bathroom is rough.
Oh, yeah.
What would you rather have, a bigger bathroom or a bigger closet?
Or both.
It's huge.
It's huge and it steals the show, and the lake is the show.
Can you get rid of this though?
Well, I don't. If we're redoing the roof, we could potentially redo it around. I just don't know if this stone goes all the way downstairs. I don't know where it stops.
If there's any way to camo it or blend
Right.
it or just take it down.
The other thing we have to do is this wall. I feel like we just make this a whole wall. And then you have spot for furniture.
Where you're actually looking at the show. You're looking out at the lake. This
Yeah,
needs to be
yeah.
Yes, yes.
all open all the way across here where you can see the lake.
Can
Yeah.
you do that?
But we're already doing new windows. Why don't we open this and make this part of the house?
Oh, this is why we're here.
Yes.
This is the
That would
best
be
part of the
awesome.
house.
100%.
Insulate the floor systems, insulate the walls.
Love that.
Okay, the plan then is to open this up and connect the two spaces, have consistent flooring throughout, change out the lighting, scrape the popcorn ceiling, close in the wall that goes down the stairs, and then most importantly, do something with the
The
fireplace.
beast.
Yeah, to soften up the fireplace.
Yes.
I like that idea.
Okay, so now
Trust you.
let's go in the
Trusting
kitchen.
you.
This is a step back in time, isn't it?
It is.
Wow. You literally have to do this to talk to anyone.
I know.
As you know, I do all the cooking. I'd love an island, but I don't think you can do that in here.
You could do like a little movable island in the middle.
Can that be a game day decision? Because it seems like it might get tight in
I
here.
think so too.
I think you need to at least double the windows. Again, it's the view.
That's the
Yeah,
view,
yeah.
right?
I was looking at this because you could go out further, but you really can't because you don't want to.
No, I think you have to, Jenny.
You're going to steal from the sunroom?
I think you almost go from this line over. You sacrifice 2 or 3 feet of the sunroom with wall so you can bring the kitchen over. If we're gonna make this an amazing kitchen, we
Right.
have to get more space.
Yeah.
Okay, so the plan for the outside then is to create a much bigger deck with steps going up and then also create a fire pit area. Have a taste of Minnesota here in
Yes.
Arkansas.
Guys, this is gonna be amazing.
I'm so excited.
It's a beautiful home. but it'll be a lot better when Dave and Jenny get done with the renovation.
Efficiency at its finest, Tim.
Oh, I've done Carl. Charlie horse.
There you go. All right, the kitchen's going good. See, this kitchen looks way better. For my Uncle Bob and Aunt Jill's place, we are framing new walls in the kitchen and the main suite. We are moving plumbing.
And to capture those views, we're replacing all of the windows in the house, in the back and in the front. Welcome to Bob and Jill's house.
Awesome.
Isn't this amazing? Look at that view.
Wow.
We've gotten all the windows in.
There's drywall going up.
The new header is in that allows us to completely open up the living room and sun porch.
Crews are finishing the light whiteout flooring to really brighten up the entire house.
We are cruising to make sure we're finished in time for when their grandbaby arrives. We're priming the exterior of the house. We're framing out a new roof line to give them a defined entrance. And today, we are building a really cool mudroom. This is a big house. There's a lot of work to do. Almost the entire $250,000 budget is earmarked already. So we are looking for a couple of areas where we can be more efficient with our materials cost.
We have a lot of tile going in to this bathroom. I'm using 2 different colors. Kind of has that modern feel, but not overly modern for Bob and Jill.
All right, right here, Tim. And we are installing all the kitchen cabinets.
Oh, nice. All right, here's a couple doors. This looks amazing.
I envision game nights over here. We have big family gatherings, being able to bounce from yard to yard. My dad and mom are 2 doors away. It's gonna be amazing.
We're at Bob and Jill's. We are sanding down the floors and light fixtures are going up all over the house.
The kitchen cabinets are already painted the color that Jenny wants for the room.
Bob and Jill love blue. It's a nice, deep, rich blue. And the fishing room is deep green. So I am a little nervous about those 2 spaces because you can see them both. There's not a door, it's just cased opening, but I think that they're gonna tie really nicely together. They're both really rich colors, so I think it'll work. It's gonna be great.
It's gonna be great.
Look how pretty this duck is, babe.
Taking space out of that garage for a mudroom, it's very functional, but it's really pretty.
I love the little trout. The main bedroom, we took a little bit of space away for the closet, but it's still a big bedroom.
Well, and not only a giant closet, but an amazing bathroom that's got a huge shower, a great soaking tub, double vanities. It's got everything that they need.
And the glass, remember how we had to figure out this glass?
Yeah, it looks good. Man, babe, this closet.
I know, remember it used to just be 2 little closets. Now they have a huge closet, turn on the lights, and the fan light too. Oh,
Look at them pulling in like they own the place. I love it.
I love the roof.
do you?
Oh my gosh.
The roof.
I can't get over the roof.
That's what you're seeing all the way down the driveway.
Right.
Yes.
I'm glad you kept the stone the way it was.
We added this little eave up here, and we added the new black windows. Everything feels modern, and before, the stone was just so ugly, but now it works.
Look at the door, it's my favorite.
Yay! And you have some windows here to break up all the siding.
I love it.
You love it? So
Love
you're gonna
it.
go inside? Wait till you see
Yeah.
inside.
Can't hardly wait.
Can't wait.
Let's go. Following you. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh my gosh, the floors.
Bob, look at the entry.
The floor, I love the floors.
Jenny Mars.
Gosh. I don't even recognize
Bob.
the place. Gosh.
Gosh, the cabinets are fantastic.
You got your island.
Believe it.
Oh,
Love
Go
it.
check out your
I'm
island.
a little speechless.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's delicious.
I love it.
Yay! I don't get it. None of this was here.
Oh, look at this.
Giant fridge.
We're gonna need more
Holy
food.
moly.
Oh, you go in
So
there.
Cool.
We reoriented a lot of space.
Oh my golly, it is spectacular.
Yay!
We were able to double the windows looking out to the lake.
I love the colors.
Did you like
Yes.
the colors?
Oh, I
Good.
love it.
I do.
love
Very
it.
deep, kind of moody and rich.
I can't find the old house.
What we
Yeah.
kind of based every decision off of was how do we get an island in the kitchen because
Yeah,
it was so
I love an
tight.
island.
We were able to bump in to where the hall bath was and the closet.
We shifted this kitchen that way.
Yes.
All the way across. Complete redo of everything. And we were able to take that last 8 feet of the garage and shift a lot of stuff there. So you gotta go check that. And Bob, you gotta go first through here.
Ooh. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool.
Oh, look.
Nice.
Stop it with the pole. Bob. Oh, look
Fish.
at the insert. A little trout.
Wow.
Matt and I, and my dad, like our best memories are growing up, you teaching us how to fish. We thought, like, we gotta have a fly rod area in here, and Jenny just wanted this like to feel like a cabin.
Yeah.
Oh, you got the vibe. Jenny, the fireplace.
Yes!
You did it.
I like the fireplace
You did
a
it.
lot.
No, it's perfect. It's there, but it goes away.
Yes.
Did you like plaster it first a little bit
No,
or something?
it's just a mortar wash.
It's a mortar.
Oh, it's
Yes.
beautiful. The staircase isn't open anymore.
Yes, the
Oh, that's
staircase
right.
is open
what
anymore.
a
forgot all about
good
that.
one.
It feels like a room now.
It's really good.
Looks giant now.
It does.
After, it's like, doesn't matter where you're at, you can see everything. I love it.
Okay, so you remember you had the screened-in porch. We made that into a dining room, so go check that out.
Cool.
Oh, man.
Look at this.
Look at it.
I know. So good.
I can't.
Gosh, the view is spectacular.
It's so elegant.
It is elegant.
But it feels like home.
Yeah.
Like it's cozy and warm.
I love this.
All built in.
Yep, white
Wow,
oak.
So nice.
Yes.
In order to get this space in the kitchen, we took a little space from the front bedroom. So we got rid of the hallway to take a peek in there.
Bob, get in here.
Yeah.
It's a little more than a powder room.
Yeah.
We figured out a way to make it a full bath because you need a space for your guests.
Oh,
my
you
gosh.
picked up that green from the kitchen.
I love it.
Oh, Jenny.
Okay, so then you had a door here to your bedroom, but we moved it. I know, it's very...
It all changed, so it's
it
confusing.
all changed.
It all changed.
Oh, no. Bob,
Wow.
look.
This is awesome. These colors are awesome.
We took a little space to create a main suite, but it's still a really big bedroom.
It's
Just love 'em.
cozy, but roomy enough.
And then you have 2 doors. Where do you want to go first?
Go ahead.
That
Okay, all right.
Oh, I love the pocket door.
Look.
Holy moly.
Holy smoke. We're gonna need more clothes.
I can't believe this.
This window is new
Yes.
because I love a window in a closet.
Perfect.
Yay.
Okay, so now you have to go in door number 2.
Okay, another door. Okay, after you.
Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh.
Oh, God. I got to get in there. This is awesome. Gosh, I love the tile colors.
I love how this tile communicates with all the other
Yes.
tile in the house.
Oh, I'm so glad.
Holy moly.
Holy moly is right.
I don't even remember what this deck was.
It
There
was
just a little
skinny,
deck here?
and there's the fire pit.
Yes.
Gosh,
I love
I like
it.
that a lot.
Look at that view. It's amazing. And
This
you
is
captured
awesome.
it in and out.
You cleaned all this up a lot.
Spectacular.
Yay!
Yay!
That's it. That's it. That's what we got.
This is where they're going to spend so much time, and I think it's hitting them that this is their new life. You know, being on the lake.
So cool.
Oh my gosh, it's so
Doing great. How are you?
and open.
Ooh, I love the countertop.
That's awesome.
Oh my gosh.
As soon as I saw the kitchen, I mean, I guess I was so emotional because that's where I spend so much time, and it really exceeded my expectations.
So pretty.